how to reset the Bluetooth on a Wapik Aero5 Bluetooth wireless speaker. And by resetting the Bluetooth, I'm just talking about, this is not a hard firmware reset or anything like that. All of this reset is it will force this speaker to disconnect to whatever it's connected to. So you might want to do this if this keeps connecting to something that you don't want it to and you're trying to connect it to something new, or just while you're listening to it, you just want to switch whatever device you have it on. You can go ahead and if you just come in and press this M button right here. Now, you can do a couple things with this M button, but if it's connected to something and you just long press the M button, it will, I don't know if you saw it did a little fast flash there. It was already in pairing mode, so it just did a fast flash, but if it was paired to something, it would disconnect and then go straight back into pairing mode. So you just wait until it goes back into this blue blinking like this, and then you can go ahead and pair it with whichever device you want to pair it with.